How to manifest a text from a specific person. Feeling the ache of distance from someone special? Yearning to reconnect? Brace yourself, because you hold the power to make them reach out to you. It might sound like a fantastical notion, but it's the undeniable magic of the law of attraction at play. Picture this, you effortlessly drawing them back into your world with the sheer force of your thoughts. It's not wishful thinking, it's a potent technique waiting to be unleashed. Imagine the joy of seeing their name light up your screen once more, a testament to the magnetic pull you've created. But how does this marvel unfold? Dive deep into the mechanics and discover the art of manifesting someone back into your life. Don't let distance dim your connection. Harness the power within you, and let the universe conspire to reunite you with that special someone. It's time to weave your own tale of cosmic attraction. Profound principle of the law of attraction. Like attracts like. It's the ultimate cosmic dance where your thoughts become the architect of your reality. Picture this, every thought, a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, shaping the world around you. Manifestation isn't a distant concept, it's the very essence of existence, silently guiding every moment. Consider this, you're not merely a bystander in this grand symphony of manifestation, you're the conductor. Your thoughts, the baton, directing the flow of energy and attracting experiences into your orbit. But beware the hidden pitfalls. Dwelling in loneliness breeds more of the same, while desperation repels the very connection you seek. It's the paradox of the law of attraction in motion. What you yearn for, you inadvertently push away. Yet, amidst the chaos, there lies hope. The first step toward mastering manifestation is confronting those inner demons, dispelling the shadows of negativity and self-doubt. So, dare to dream, for your thoughts hold the power to sculpt a reality beyond imagination. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, and watch as the universe conspires to fulfill your deepest desires. Manifestation isn't just a concept, it's the cornerstone of creation itself. Steps to manifest someone to text you. Embark on the journey to manifest that long-awaited text with these transformative steps. First, acknowledge the mental whirlwind engulfing you. It's a signal to recalibrate your inner landscape. Remember, like attracts like. To draw them closer, immerse yourself in a realm of happiness, contentment, and abundance. It's akin to the intriguing sperm web theory, where positivity begets a flurry of unexpected connections. Ever noticed how your exes resurface when you're radiating joy and self-care? That's the magic of raising your vibrational frequency. As you elevate your energy, you effortlessly attract positive outcomes, including that elusive text from the one you miss. But if negative thoughts loom large and hinder your ascent, fret not. There's always room for growth. Focus on self-improvement, gratitude, and mindfulness to banish those limiting beliefs and soar to new heights. Embrace the power within, and watch as the universe conspires to reunite you with that special someone. It's not just about manifesting a text, it's about transforming your reality through the alchemy of positivity. 1. Work on your limiting beliefs. Unlocking the pathway to manifestation requires dismantling the barriers of limiting beliefs. Do you truly believe you're worthy of affection? Are you convinced that the one you long for reciprocates your feelings? Confronting these doubts head-on is pivotal, for they act as stumbling blocks on the journey to manifesting that coveted text. It's easy to succumb to negative thought patterns, but breaking free is a transformative journey worth undertaking. Imagine the liberation of shedding thoughts like, "They never liked me," or "I'll never get them back." These self-sabotaging narratives only serve to dim your vibrational frequency, obstructing the manifestation process. Yet, amidst the darkness, there is light. Through intentional self-reflection and inner work, you can dissolve these limiting beliefs. Dive deep into practices like unblocking your sacral chakra, engaging in shadow work prompts, or embracing the therapeutic release of somatic breath work. Don't let the shackles of doubt hold you captive. Embrace the power within to rewrite your narrative and elevate your vibrational frequency. As you peel away the layers of negativity, you pave the way for the universe to conspire in your favor, bringing you closer to manifesting that transformative text. 2. Master the law of detachment. To unlock the power of manifestation and summon that awaited text, embrace the essence of the law of detachment. It's the art of surrendering control, understanding that we can't dictate others' actions. By relinquishing attachment to the outcome, we open the floodgates to manifest our deepest desires. Detachment isn't about severing connections, it's about nurturing oneself. As you embark on a journey of self-improvement and healing, you emit vibrations of positivity and resilience. These signals reverberate in the universe, attracting more blessings into your life. Picture this: letting go of the person you yearn for isn't a farewell, it's a catalyst for self-care and personal growth. As you prioritize your well-being, you become a magnet for abundance and fulfillment. So, release the grip of attachment and focus on nurturing your soul. Watch as the universe orchestrates a divine reunion, bringing you closer to manifesting that pivotal text. It's not about losing them, it's about finding yourself amidst the journey. 3. Become what you desire. Unlock the ultimate secret to manifestation. Become what you desire. It's the catalyst that ignites the law of attraction into a blazing inferno of possibilities. Feeling the pang of loneliness? Embrace it as your first challenge. Step into the world, radiating joy and enthusiasm, and watch as high vibrational energy aligns with your aura. Soon, you'll find yourself immersed in a cascade of positive experiences. As you embody the essence of your desires, you become a magnet for all that you seek. Every action, every thought, propels you closer to manifesting that pivotal text. So, dare to transform, dare to embody your dreams, and watch as the universe conspires to fulfill your deepest desires. How to manifest someone to text you. Now that you've cleared your mind and done the inner work, you're ready to manifest the text from that special someone. 1. Be clear on what you want. To manifest your desires, clarity is key. Set a precise intention, outlining every detail to the universe. Consider: who is the sender of the text you crave? What words do you long to read from them? How would you react to their message? Envision the unfolding of events after your reply. By painting a vivid picture of your desired outcome, you empower the universe to orchestrate its delivery. So, dare to be specific, dare to dream, and watch as your intentions materialize before your very eyes. 2. Visualize them texting you. Visualizing is the bridge between desire and manifestation. Find a quiet moment to immerse yourself in this transformative practice. Close your eyes, allowing your imagination to take flight. Visualize your person with exquisite detail, their surroundings, the time of day, the company they keep. Witness as they select your name, fingers poised to type. Feel the anticipation build as they craft each word, tailored specifically for you. Read along as their message materializes, capturing the essence of their thoughts and feelings. Through visualization, you align your vibrational frequency with your desires, paving the way for their manifestation. So, dare to dream vividly, dare to believe, and watch as the universe conspires to deliver your long-awaited text. 3. Feel it as if it were true. Embark on a journey of emotional elevation, weaving the fabric of reality with your thoughts and feelings. Dive deep into this immersive experience. Close your eyes, surrendering to the realm of imagination. Picture your phone lighting up, their name illuminating the screen. As you see their name, what emotions wash over you? Excitement? Joy? Anticipation? Tune into the sensations coursing through your body, butterflies fluttering, heart racing. Imagine opening the message, absorbing each word with bated breath. Feel the surge of emotions as you prepare to craft your response. Immerse yourself in this tapestry of sensations, allowing the intensity of your emotions to carry you away. Let a smile grace your lips, and bask in the warmth radiating from within. This isn't just a visualization, it's a visceral experience, a tangible connection to your desired reality. Believe it to be true, and watch as the universe aligns to make it so. After immersing yourself in the visualization journey, it's crucial to release and surrender to the universe. Trust that you've laid the groundwork, and now it's time to let go and allow the magic to unfold. Fretting over the absence of the text only sends signals of lack into the universe, attracting more of the same. Instead, focus on nurturing yourself, pursuing your goals, and practicing self-care. Detach from any expectations and embrace the present moment. It's when you relinquish control and least expect it that manifestations often materialize. So, exhale, release, and let the universe work its wonders. The text will find its way to you in divine timing. Final thoughts. Manifestation is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. By addressing your inner landscape, limiting beliefs, attachments, and emotional frequency, you unlock the true potential of the law of attraction. Visualizing your desires with heightened emotional intensity signals to the universe your readiness to receive. It's a powerful synergy that propels you toward manifestation. So, trust in the process, stay patient, and remain open to receiving. The universe conspires in mysterious ways, and your desired outcome will manifest in divine timing. Embrace the journey, knowing that the key to unlocking your desires lies within you.